Hi, in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change a pain situation in a yoga private session in a matter of seconds. This is a video that I took during an actual yoga session, so it's a real situation in real time. The two techniques that I use are post-isometric relaxation or contract-relax stretching, and also vibration. Using vibration during movement will mask a pain sensation and will let the nervous system then experience movement without pain, and then after you take the vibration away, the person still doesn't have any pain that they were experiencing previously. So this is a form of central nervous system downregulation. And it's using the peripheral muscles. So this is a hallmark of the type of work that I do in yoga and with teaching people self-care, and also with body work and retraining pain-free movement. So I hope you'll get some great ideas from this if you're a yoga teacher or a practitioner about how you can change pain very quickly. I also have a free course about this. How to use post-isometric relaxation or contract-relax stretching in yoga to change pain very quickly in any yoga asana. So if you'd like to check it out, I have a link in the description. In today's video, Ryan, my client, was experiencing pain on the top of the shoulder. Now, the thing about trigger points, which is what we're dealing with here, is that they will refer pain. So knowing the trigger point referrals, I understood that his top of the shoulder pain was probably coming from his low trapezius muscle. And let me just pull up a picture of that. So the low trapezius muscle is a scapular adductor. So when he was abducting his arm, moving his arm out away from his body in a yoga posture, he was getting pain on the top of the shoulder. So I surmised what was happening was the low trapezius muscle was activating and going short. The trigger points in the muscle were bunching up, and then it was referring pain. So you can see in this diagram here where the X is where the middle of the low trapezius muscle is, where the motor nerve connects to the muscle, and this is often where trigger points develop, right in the center of muscle fibers. So that's the spot where the X is, where the problem is, but then the red area indicates where the person feels the issue. So you can see here, very prominently often to the suboccipital region, posterior neck, across the top of the shoulder, and also towards the acromion process. And this is very common. So that's why I surmised in this video during this treatment that that's what was happening. So I applied the vibration to his low trapezius during movement, had him do contract relax, and that took care of the pain. And then when I took the vibration away, he was still pain-free. That's how quickly you can retrain pain-free movement with vibration and contract relax stretching. Then, after he wasn't having top of the shoulder pain anymore during that same movement, I put my attention to where he was having pain, and that was in the low back area and in the hip muscles. So that is commonly from gluteal pain. You can experience a lot from the quadratus lumborum muscle, which is this one. Which is this one right here. And this is your low back stabilizer. And during the rotational movement that he was performing, this muscle is working pretty hard and shortening and lengthening. So this is where hip pain would usually come from during a movement like that. But then also he was getting low back pain in that area of the low back, just above the hip. Now that actually is usually referred pain from the iliocostalis or the longissimus, the paraspinal muscles. I'm going to pull that up. Okay, so here's the iliocostalis referral as well as the longissimus referral. So both muscles can produce referral into the glutes as well as into the low back area. So then I moved to putting that vibration on those paraspinal muscles during that movement to relieve that. So this video is a demonstration of how quickly you can change pain when you apply these concepts in yoga. So I hope that you get a lot of ideas from this. about how to enhance your yoga practice or your yoga teaching. You can use some of these techniques in yoga classes as well as with private clients. So enjoy. Yeah, where do you feel there?
Shoulder pain.
Okay, where?
Being here, right here in my.
Okay. Yep.
But I've been exercising.
Okay.
It happened after the exercise.
Okay.
Probably attribute it to that.
That's probably low trap on the short. Here, I'm going to do something that might change that. So go ahead and go the other way now with that right hand underneath you, going that way. Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you feel there?
Lower back actually cracked a little.
Okay, good. Yep. Okay, now come back up again. And now I'm going to do an intervention here. You're going to do that same move again, and I'm going to put some vibration into your trap and see if that takes away the shoulder thing. Yeah, this is more like neutral. You like the spine is neutral, and you're just working with the rotation this time. Yep. Yep. Now go ahead and go back the other way. So I'm basically getting the vibration on that low trapezius muscle. It's going into stretch right now. Yeah, good. Now come back up. Okay, does this change the shoulder? Yeah. So that this will mask that, and then it'll let this muscle shorten.
Yeah, it's completely changing the mobility.
Yep. So I'm getting your mid and low trap. Now go back the other way again. And I'm just keeping the vibration on there as it goes into stretch.
I do feel like my lower, it's kind of resisting the rotation.
Yeah. So now I'll come more into your low back with the vibration. Okay. Go ahead and come back up again. We'll do it one more time. And this time I'm just going to do this part here. And let me know what you feel in your shoulder or your back as you come in. Shoulders okay?
Yeah, some hip, like I think it's QL.
Yeah.
Glute pain.
Yep. That can be from the QL. Glute pain from the glute. So go ahead and come back. But see how that totally changed your shoulder? Yeah. So now I'm not even vibrating the shoulder, but you still have the benefit.
Yeah, completely.
Yeah. So basically, we just trained your shoulder to go into to shorten happily. Okay, come back up.
Putting my head flat going down helps too.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's.
Putting it on the ground.
Yeah.
The other side?
Yeah. Now let's do the other side. Let's see what you feel. Just doing it. Okay. What do you feel there?
A lot easier on this side.
Okay. Go ahead and go back down the other way. Yep. Okay.
Stopping me here.
Okay. So we don't have a shoulder issue on this side, but we have the low back thing happening.
Right.
Okay. Go ahead and come up. Yep. And go ahead and go into that again, and we'll just run some vibration on there. Yep. And now go back down. Yep. All right, and go ahead and come back up again. Good. And go ahead and hold that contraction like that. Take a big inhale. Yep, and hold. And exhale, relax, go back down the other way. So now we're coming into the stretch for all that. So that's adding a contract, relax in. And I can also, if I put my hand on your sacrum, I can also traction you.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So that's going to help with the lengthening of the QL here as I do the vibration.
Yeah, that helps.
Yep.
Really, really well.
Okay. So go ahead and do this again. Go ahead, come back up. Good. And exhale, relax down the other way. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and come to neutral and then sit back and see how things feel. Okay.
That was big for here. Coming down like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when you push on the sacrum, then it's basically all my attention goes to there. Pulls my attention in, and the pain that's above that spot in the back, the pain that I get right there, goes away like it's like an on-off switch.
I hope that video helped you out and gave you some good ideas about how to use contractor-like stretching and vibration in yoga to resolve pain. We have a free PDF guide available on how to use these techniques to treat your own shoulder pain very quickly. The link is in the video description. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to be alerted when we post new videos. Thank you.